Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Monday 23rd of the August 2021. Let's take a look at the Forex calendar to see what is going on at the beginning of the trading week. We have a PMI day today, and the PMI data had been released already from Japan. As you can see, the PMI manufacturing was better than expected, and the PMI composite has been worse than expected. Some mixed data had been released from Japan, as you can see. During the London session, we have a PMI manufacturing services and composite PMI scheduled for release from France, Germany, and the whole Eurozone, together with the United Kingdom. During the New York session, we have, of course, ISM manufacturing data, equivalent of the PMI manufacturing from the Eurozone, and the final services PMI and composite PMI scheduled for release quarter to 4 in the afternoon. 4 o'clock, existing home sales from US, and at 4 o'clock, consumer confidence data from Eurozone. So pretty much PMI day to day. Let's take a look at the Japanese yen, euro, and so on to see what is going on at the beginning of the trading week. So what do we have on the US dollar to Japanese yen daily time frame chart? So what we are having here, pretty much range trading for now. The very interesting candle, let me just zoom in. A very interesting candle had been made here. This is the candle that tells us that market doesn't want to go up, doesn't want to go down. Market is confused and market doesn't know what it wants to do really. So what we are going to do is we are going to move those internal resistance levels somewhere here, and let's just flip our intraday resistance at the highs from the 19th of the August. Of course, those is no longer technical resistance. Let me just move it a little bit higher. We have a pretty much of a zone here between 110 and 110.98, 110.60, 110.98. So that's the zone, that's the supply zone. As you can see, many times market had been trying to break above it, but it always failed. On the other hand, we have a like this range here, 109.21, 109.8 pips, and the lows of 108.73. So this is the zone when the market is trading right now. This is a sideways move. Moreover, the momentum is kind of a neutral, and it's pointing to the upside, of course, because of this few days going up. But the momentum overall looks like it's hovering around there. The 50 level, which is the neutral level, of course, on the RSI. We should wait for the market to break above or below the supply zone. What could help us is this short-term trend line here. Let me just change the color to the usual one, which is, of course, the golden orange one. So we are trading below this line. Please take a look here. Bearish engulfing pattern, and this is a pin bar, kind of a shooting starish candlestick pattern, but it's definitely rejection of this level. So the higher we go, the rejected we are, and the current area of interest should be between 110.23, 110.40. So this is the zone where we can expect something like this to happen again on the euro to Japanese yen. Overall, waiting for a breakout. What is going on the euro dollar, of course? What is going on majors? Not much, to be honest. Rejection to get back in the main descending channel here. New low. Rejection to break back above the long-term trend line. New low. Now this level is definitely a technical resistance, another technical resistance, 1.17.52. That was the old support, 1.170304, and the next target 1.1613, 1.1604. Those are the next targets for the bears on the euro dollar. So far, not really any particular reversal pattern. What I'm talking about is, of course, the bullish reversal pattern, not here yet. That breakout from the wedge was ended with the rejection of the to entry the channel, new low. If there is no new high here above 1.1805, which is high of the 13th of the August 2021, then of course we are making another lower low, definition of the downtrend, right? So nothing changed here on the euro dollar. What is going on the British pound? British pound made a false flag, didn't hold on 61% of the Fibonacci retracement, tried to rally, neglected, new low. This pattern is invalidated, so no more of ABC reversal. This was a false flag pattern. We are going lower, and right now we are going towards the lows of the July, I guess, yeah, July 2021, and these lows are 1.3568, and it looks like we are going to have another lower low because the bearish pressure is visible, momentum is clear. Negative is clearly negative, is below the level of 50, way below the level of 38 points. So this is negative, weak momentum, and the bears are under control of this market. Please keep an eye on 1.3568, 1.3486. This is the key technical resistance for the technical support for now. Fibonacci, we no longer need it. All of the levels have been violated, so right now this is pretty much useless for the traders. And what we have here, technical resistance, of course, red lines as usual, and this one will be the intraday technical resistance, 1.3670. This is the technical resistance for the intraday traders, and of course 1.3716, 1.3731 are the other technical resistance on the British pound to the American dollar. And at the end of the day, what is going on Bitcoin? And on the Bitcoin we have another high. We are trading above $50,000. We broke above the key short-term supply zone, so we are doing really nice. And where we are on the chart, you can see here, we are heading towards the highs of the wave B, which are around the level of $60,000. 59,529 is the high of the wave B. We are going there because it looks like the bullish momentum is strong, is very strong, as you can see. At the edge of the overbought market conditions, all of the negative divergence are really shallow. I mean, the play of the negative divergence is really shallow. So this is like 12% decline. This is like 7-8% decline, which is nothing really for this market. This is kind of a different market than the stock market or the Forex market, where the 12% decline is like a big deal. No big deal for Bitcoin. Yes, 828 is the 828, or even it might be 850. Yes, 850 is the recent pullback because of this negative divergence. Breakout, very nice candles here. Target $60,000. So all of these levels right now will act as a technical support. So we can change the colors for them if you want to notice them somewhere. Those levels are the key technical support levels, and of course our important supply zone that I'm fixing right now had been violated, which was the key zone for the Bitcoin market to rally. As you can see, it happened and we are rallying, so nothing wrong with the analysis. Everything is as we expected. Since that's that low, we are rallying higher and higher. It looks more and more bullish, this move here. Moreover, it looks more and more impulsive. So please keep an eye on the Bitcoin. I think we should get towards 54,000. Then we might have some kind of a pullback, and then straight up towards $60,000 for the Bitcoin. So that's my outlook for the Monday morning. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope I see you guys tomorrow. So take care and bye bye.